I'm going to show you a beautiful group. They are all from Nili, Lotan. Nili, Lotan, I think is the way you say it. And they are so pretty. They're so beautiful. Let me show them to you. All right, so this first one is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. Beautiful for pants. Stretch in one direction. Really great. It's a, you know, on the tag, this particular tag, they said it was a taupe. And even at the store, we thought that's not a taupe, but you know, the designer, if the designer calls it a taupe, I think it has to be a taupe. I think it's more of a camel. But anyway, it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. A great pair of pants, jacket would be lovely, lovely. And this, I put some together because they're so coordinating. This is beautiful. It's 100% silk. Just has a lovely sheen, lovely drape. And of course it goes beautiful with this as well. It just blends really pretty across the board. This is a poly cotton, has stretch in both directions. Kind of a sheen on one side. I think a little bit of sheen is the right side. There is sheen on both sides. It's pretty, fun for summer. Then we have this beautiful stripe, and it's a striped rib. And this is 100% cotton. Really pretty for what we're doing tonight. We'll show you. Yeah, I mean, I've got it on. But anyway, this is a striped rib. Very pretty. Again, 100% cotton. This is a beautiful textured black. I'm going to hold it there for just a minute. I'm hoping the camera can really focus on it. But I know the texture is hard to see. But it's pretty. This is a cotton poly. It's almost 100% cotton. It has a little bit of poly to it, but the burn is really strong, 100% cotton. I'm sorry, this has stretch in both directions. So it'd be a great pair of like little leggings. I think it'd be, and they have texture to them, so they're not just the regular smooth ones. They're just nice. Or a t-shirt. Either way would be great. And of course, this is our blue. This is what we're doing tonight. It's Nili Lotan, the cotton rib. It's got a really fine rib to it. It stretches in both directions, and it's 100% cotton. So these are beautiful new fabrics just for you guys and for me. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.